Today I'm your finance kiddo here to share your finance news. This is a new channel, and I hope I receive good support from all of you guys. I'll be speaking in English. I can also dabble a little bit of Kannada and Tamil here and there. You know what I mean? Equality. Disclaimer I just need to say this. I'm not an advisor for stocks. I'm just sharing my views and opinions. And please avoid investment if you don't know the risk about investment. And I'm also not a SEBI registered advisor, so whatever I say, it's made out of my formulated views and opinions. Whatever I say, don't take it like seriously. Your finance kid said that invest 50 crores in this stock and then I got 10 crores. No, I'm not saying anything like that. It's just that I'm sharing my own views and opinions. I'm not telling you to do it, man. You don't have, and you don't need, and you can't do it also. Let's forget about that for a second, and let's see our news, shall we? So Nifty, today's change is minus 73.20, man. Yeah, Nifty has fallen down considerably and closed at 24,649.55. It's low. I guess it's all right. But man, Nifty could have performed better, man. Like the whole array of companies in Nifty, they really could have done better. Then we have Sensex. Sensex closed at 8710.25 by minus 308.47. So even Sensex is all right, man. It's all right. It's you know what happened. It's just like sideways movement. It does not fall down, it does not rise up. It's just like floating in the air, you know what I mean? So now it's time for our favorite part of today. This is the part that everyone waits for, you know what I mean, bro. Okay, let me just write it down. W's and dubs. So now today I'm going to talk about the top winners and the top losers. Now let's go, man. So the top, sorry, the top winners are, okay, let's talk about the top dubs, okay? XT Global Infotech Ltd, 13.84%. Man, this is a nice one, man. This is a nice one. I like it. I like it a lot. Whoever got this, lucky you. So then we got Sanoji Consumer Healthcare Limited at 12.43 percentage. Nice. Then we got Jasfal Agro Mills, 12.15 percentage. Then we got Newgen Software Ltd, 12.08 percentage. Prakash Industries Limited, 11.67 percentage. Allied Digital Service Limited, 10.58 percentage. MIRC Electronics Limited, 10.05 percentage. Godfrey Philips India Limited, 10%. MTAR Tech Limited, 9.41 percentage. SMS Life Sciences India Limited, 9.36 percentage. Now, whoever have invested in these stocks, yo, you're a lucky man today, bro. Go out for a dinner or something, man. You're a lucky man if you invested in these. But next, we got the opposite side of the spectrum, which I pity extremely for, because whoever invested in Sapana Spuruti Financial Limited, may your poor soul go to heaven. It lost 23.98 percentage. This is insane. 23.98 percentage lost. How is this possible? How can a company fall down so hard that it broke its head? Okay, let's forget about it, man. But whoever invested in this, I feel bad for you, man. Next, we got Mahindra Logistics. What a surprise, man! Minus 11.03, man. Okay. So I think it's because of the tariffs mostly. By the way, whatever views and opinions I'm saying, it's you don't have to follow them. This is just something. It's my opinion. Okay, I'm not taking it from a official website that it's because of tariffs. But all this information is from SEBI or the official websites like that. These are curated information that me and my dad have did. So then we got MSP Steel and Powers Limited minus 8.85 percentage. All these below ones, they've lost, but not as the first one. Then we got Gokaldas Exports Limited, and this one it might have been because of Trump's tariffs also. Man, Trump is playing some crazy game, man. He hates Russia so much that he's making sure our relationship with Russia hurts, man. Man, for all the Americans watching this, man, please do something to Trump, man. He can't keep going like this. Next, we got Seatal Cool Products Limited, minus 8.26 percentage. Then we got Network People Service Tech Limited, minus 7.58 percentage. Next, we got Sangam Limited, 7.44 percentage. Then we got Keystone Relators Ltd, minus 6.84 percentage. Then we got Thomas Cook, minus 6.76 percentage. Now we have ca- we have the IPOs section now. Now whoever got the first IPO, you're a lucky man. Go out for dinner or buy another stock so you can double it and go out for a bigger dinner. All right. Um, so the name is Aditya Infotech. I repeat, Aditya Infotech. The issue price is 675 rupees. It was listed on 5825. The listing day closure is 409.10 rupees. You got a 409 rupees profit, man. It's a good thing, you know. Um, but I, hmm, but I don't have much to say about the next one. I'm kind of disappointed. Next, we got Lakshmi India Finance. It's LAXMI. It's not LAKSHMI. I hate whoever spells LAXMI, not LAKSHMI. Who does that? Okay, so the issue price is 158 rupees, listed on the same date as above. The listing day closure is 134 rupees. You had a loss, man. But I guess whoever profited, whoever lost. It's just how the market works. It's unpredictable sometimes. Sometimes it can rise up so much you can become Ambani or Warren Buffett, but sometimes it'll fall so low you may just be hopeless. Hey, but that's another topic for another video. And Big Man signing out. And this is your finance kiddo, aka Shri. Call me Shri, okay? I'm also known as the finance kiddo. So whatever thoughts you have on this, please express it in the comments. Share it to your friends. Maybe they can get some good advice from me because they don't listen to whatever you say. And yeah, uh, like if you liked it or dislike if you didn't. Thank you. Bye. To close this.